This is me, and today I'm visiting one of the best restaurants in Kenya. So I am in Kangela in an aeroplane restaurant. This restaurant was opened in 2022 by Mr. Emmanuel Ngetich, who was by then 45. He was upbeat about realizing his dream to set up a restaurant designed to capture the customers' aviation imaginations. So, this idea crossed his mind when he visited Bangkok for a business trip in 2019. He had a dinner in a 5-star rated aeroplane restaurant. He was fascinated and he thought of improvising the same in Kenya. So, Mr. Ngetich was running his middle-class restaurant, but when he came back to Kenya, he went shopping for decommissioned planes. Luckily, by that time, Kenya Airways was disposing of its decommissioned flights. So he bid and he won. But it took time, like 3 months, to transport the fuselage to Kangela. 5-star living in an aeroplane. We are chilling in an aeroplane here in Kenya. Hola, my name is Rogers Legosi, and I'm a Kenyan content creator. So today I'm in Kajiado. Yeah, I came here. Upon arriving in Kangela, I realized the restaurant is a little bit far from Kangela town. So I had to take a tuk-tuk from Kangela town to where Club 034 is located. So the food here is quite cheap, like in Choma, you can see the prices, yeah. And then we have white ugali, brown ugali and everything. We have fish, white meat, chicken, we have tea and drinks, we have bites. So it's a nice place, you can try. There's also a charging port, so you can charge stuff, yeah. It's a nice place. We are now at the Pacific Ocean and we have a lot of turbulence. You see turbulence? You ever experienced turbulence in an aeroplane? I'm at the business class, but I'm still feeling the turbulence. Yeah. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds. So this is my food. Fish, ugali, and cool music. Rumba. I love rumba. In the business. Ugali. You can see the aftermath. The food was so amazing. I ate everything, including the bones. Just kidding. Until I fell asleep in the aeroplane. It's so hot in Kangela, so the place was so nice. I've eaten fish, ugali, brown ugali, and some soda. So for the sodas, it's 150 for every soda. Fish, tilapia, 600. Undan is Dutch. And then ugali 200 for brown and 100 for white ugali. And then they have also car wash. If you have your car, you can come and wash here while you wait for nyama choma. It's a nice place, but kids are not allowed. I don't know why. Kids are not allowed here. So after having the amazing food at the aeroplane restaurant, I decided to visit the Kangela Mall. People told me about Kangela Mall that it's very cute. If you go there, you will enjoy the ambience. We have good people, music. So I decided, let me take a tuk-tuk and go to Kangela Mall. From where the restaurant is located to Kangela Mall is just 40 Kenya shillings with a tuk-tuk. And it's a nice place. So you should go there, try the food, and go to Kangela. You guys, Kangela Mall is very cute. Look at the art. Look at the walls. Look at everything. My friend, you should visit Kangela Mall. It's so beautiful. It's not congested. It's located somewhere that you can access Ubers and Bolts easily. So visit Kangela. Here at Naivas, they have offers. Look at the milk, the cooking oil, flour, tender flour. We have rice. You can come here. Also the meat section. I was here in the morning. Huh? I was here in the morning. Okay, thank you. Everything is on offer, even the chicken, fish. Wow, they have frozen tilapia. The beans, githeri. What's up, githeri? Wow. The yogurt section. We have juice. I need some water or soda. Soda or water. This is the best water in Kenya. Aqua Clear. If you are a water drinker, you realize that this is the best water here in Kenya. Now I have to pay for my water and then I go home. So I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe.